More than $500,000 per day is needed to keep this ship afloat for maintenance and operation costs. That's the cost of discarding a battleship after only 2 years of duty, although it cost more than $360 million to build and required continuous maintenance costs. The U.S. Navy, however, is not just decommissioning this ship, but all others of her class at present. There is already a lot of doubt, and plans for 6 more ships of the same class only increase that. They had to sell off 9 state-of-the-art battleships to pay for the building of another 6, but not for the reason you may expect. To find out, you need to watch the whole video on our channel. Let's get started. The U.S. Navy planned to retire its last guided missile frigates and patrol coastal ships in the late 1990s. This would have left 26 mine warfare boats, 40% of which were in bad condition. As the Navy expects to retire roughly 50 destroyers and frigates in 2001, it wants to build a fleet of compact, fast, and stealthy littoral combat ships as part of the new DDX surface combatant family of ships. LCS has 2 kinds, Freedom and Independence. These new littoral combat ships are cost-effective, need few crew members, have a high sprint speed, and can perform surface, mine, and anti-submarine warfare. Since the first LCS ship was commissioned in 2008, controversy has abounded. Despite early plans for 70 miles per hour, the LCS-class sprint pace was above 47 knots. A novel propulsion system using diesel and gas turbines to power 4 controlled water jets would achieve the aim. The goal was to run mostly on diesel and transition to gas turbines as needed. A complex combining gear transmitted power from 4 engines to the water jet propulsion system. By 2016, 75% of Freedom-class littoral warfare ships had transmission problems, forcing many to dock. In 2021, the Navy declared the Freedom LCS propulsion concern a class-wide problem. The Navy can't speed up Freedom-class ships beyond 10 to 15 knots. LCS suffered. Modular LCSs. Ships can change mission types by connecting in a mission package, including armament, sensors, and personnel. Mission package changing takes hours. It took days. Due to its impracticality, the U.S. Navy abandoned the modular LCS design in 2016. Each littoral warfare vessel would have 1 module. This hampered the LCS project. This simply restricted ships from being used with a specified mission package, not completely. It can also secure littoral activities by intercepting terrorists or pirates and fighting offshore attacks. This package has been used in the LCS class. This mission will utilize the combined propulsion system's top speeds. Second, MCM operations were funded. The U.S. Navy's MCM capabilities consist of several Avenger-class ships commissioned between 1987 and 1994. The aging Avenger-class fleet is being replaced by MCM-equipped littoral combat ships. The MCM package replaced humans with unmanned vehicles in minefields. The LCS crew could wait safely while a minesweeper mowed the grass and detected dangers. LCS Knifefish can hunt for mines. LCS-class ships will include airborne MH-60 Seahawk helicopters. These methods aren't well tested. Finally, ASW. The LCS used a towed variable depth, low-frequency active sonar. Variable depth sonar may assist find Russian submarines. Raytheon's variable depth sonar lacks stability. The U.S. Navy canceled ASW in 2022 due to poor performance. Everyone quit after that. Instead of a rapid, flexible fleet, the Navy had single-purpose warships with propulsion concerns. Due to gearbox difficulties and an increase in crew size, the LCS's inexpensive operational costs have been replaced with substantial maintenance costs. When the surface fleet permanently assigned each LCS to a mission, the crew swelled from 40 to 70 sailors. The Navy said its 6 new Freedom-class ships will have the same surface combat mission package as existing LCS ships. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe to the channel.